In this video, we will show you how to access AWS Instance Web Server and upload files on AWS Instance Web Server using Filezilla. Follow the steps below to connect Amazon EC2 instance or web server and upload your files using Filezilla. Download Filezilla and configure. Start Filezilla. Click on Site Manager in Filezilla. Add AWS Instance hostname, SFTP, username and key file. Step 1. Download Filezilla and configure. First of all, you need to install and configure Filezilla in your Ubuntu, Windows and Mac system. Then download your Filezilla. Step 2. Start Filezilla. Next, navigate your system menu and search Filezilla. Then click on Filezilla. After click, it will start. Step 3. Click on Site Manager in Filezilla. Now, you need to click on Site Manager in Filezilla. Then click on New Site. And add your instance detail to connect from AWS EC2 Instance Web Server. Step 4. Add AWS Instance hostname, SFTP, username and key file. Now, you need to add hostname, SFTP, username and key file in the fields. Add AWS Instance Web Server hostname or IP address of AWS Instance in the host field. Select protocol as SFTP, SSH file transfer protocol. Select logon type as key file. Add username in the user field. Note that different types of users contain different usernames for AWS Instance Web Server. Finally, click on Connect button and connect AWS Instance using Filezilla.